Hey y'all, what's up? It's Derica and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So by the title, as you guys can tell, today I'm sharing with you guys my starter lock wash day routine. A lot has changed since my last wash day routine, so when you guys are watching this video, your girl's going to be 4 months in, okay? So before we get into the video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss the upload from your girl. Alright, so let's jump right in. So as you guys can tell, I am wetting my hair in the shower, like I'm getting it thoroughly saturated with the water so that I can go in with my shampoo, which is the Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo, and I'm going in with a generous amount and just getting that all over my scalp, and just make sure that I just scrub this thing, okay, because your girl's scalp really be on fire, okay? So after doing so, I'm going to go in with a little more because I'm kind of heavy-handed and I just want to make sure I have enough shampoo because your girl has a lot of hair. So I'm just moving it on down to my ends as well and giving myself a nice scalp massage, and we're just going to speed this thing up, and I'll be back when I wash my hair again with a different shampoo. And I wanted to let y'all know how bomb this Neutrogena shampoo is. Like, I love it. I love the scent of it. It smells like a baby powder, and my scalp feels very good, and my hair feels very clean, and it does not feel stripped. So I really do like this. So on to me rinsing out this shampoo. I'm making sure that I get all of this out of my hair and out of the locks, like the part that is locked on my hair, like the button, because I just don't want to cause any problems or any scalp issues. So I'm going to wash it out really well. Alright, so on to my third wash, and I'm going to be using OGX Tea Tree Tingle shampoo. Like, y'all already know that I love this shampoo. This is legit the only shampoo that actually does get my scalp clean, okay? And it gets rid of my itchy scalp for like a few days. Right now it's been 4 days and my scalp has not itched. Now this one is moisturizing, and it does really get your scalp clean, and it helps with dry itchy scalp. Also, you can get like a big bottle of this from Walmart for like $6, and it will last you for a hot minute. So what I'm doing is rinsing out the shampoo now that I gave myself a good washing, because this is specifically for my roots, because I need this, y'all. Like, y'all already know the struggle of having starter locks. Your scalp itch like crazy. I'm talking about crazy, and putting an oil on top of it only makes matters worse. All right. And this is like legit like one of my favorite shampoos. I've been using this for over a year, and I highly recommend it. I have tried other shampoos, but none will get my scalp clean or feeling good like this one. I just gotta keep it 100 with y'all. Like, this shampoo really works well for dry, itchy scalp. So yeah. So all I'm doing is rinsing out this shampoo, and I'll be back in a little bit to do the outro. Alright y'all, so that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that it was helpful. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye.